All right. Hello, kiddos. So, this video is going to be a general overview of our digital science fair project that's going to be going on for the next 3 weeks. So, for the digital science fair project, you can see this page. It should be in your packet or attached online on Google Classroom. We're going to do a digital project that has 3 different parts, and you can kind of divide it up about a week for each part. If you look at the calendar I gave you, maybe, it's like 3 or 4 days per part, so that you can get it done on time and turned in. So the first part is a journal, the research journal, which if you have a packet, it looks like this. Or I attached it to you digitally on Google Classroom. And basically that just takes you through every part of the project. And so you'll pick a topic and then a project, and then you'll write down what your problem is, and then a couple pages for your research and writing down your research and your paragraphs. Then a place for you to put your resources and write down the actual website you got your information from. Very important. A spot for you to write your hypothesis, what you think is going to happen, to write down your materials, write down your procedures, your steps for your project. And so this journal takes you step by step, your experiment, a spot for your data and your trial, then you're going to make a graph. You analyze it, draw conclusions, and an application of it. All right. So I'm actually going to make short videos for each of those parts as well. But the first part that says research journal is actually this, either, this packet or the digital journal, and all the different parts that you're going to do individually. All right. So the first part is actually doing this, all the parts done. All right. The second part is research paper, which is a Google Doc. So I have shared this with you. It's should look like this, which really is nothing special. All right. It's just this, I shared it with you so you have the format. So you put the title of your project here, type in your name, type in the date, and then you've already done this work in the journal. If you've done the science journal, you're going to type your question on this page. Then you're going to go to the next page, you're going to type your hypothesis, and then you're going to go to the next page and type your research paragraphs. All right. So if you, we'll get to into more detail. This is just the overview. All right. So that's the second part. Part 2, research paper. All right. The third part is this Google slide presentation. So when we do science fair in class, you're doing the research, you're making all the different parts, you're doing the paper, and then you usually create a board. Well, I don't know about you, but I don't got a science fair board laying around in my house and a bunch of colored paper and a printer and all that, right? And we're not going to be able to get together to display them. So instead, we're going to do it on Google Slides. All right. So I sent you a blank presentation with each slide saying what should be on it. All right. So it looks like this. Again, it's blank, so it doesn't have any backgrounds. It has nothing. It just literally says, so this first page is the title. The second page is, come on, there you go. You'll type your problem in. All right. And so it literally is just step by step, a page for each. And then you want to add some, colors and pictures and stuff like that. All right. So when you're done with all of that, you're going to send them to me. You're going to hit the share button just like this, but on the paper and the presentation, and it'll be turned in and done. So it's meant to be fun. It's meant to be whatever you can do, and to follow the scientific process, and just to do a fun project at home while also stretching your science muscles. So that's a general overview of what you're going to do and what it looks like. And then watch for more videos for each part. All right. So the next one I'm going to do is how to pick your topic. All right. All right. Have fun.